reflect on the who, which means websites should be in Spanish and address exactly those people, and with the focus on the problems, the specific top problems or things that they need.
So I run a business immigration law firm based in Houston, Texas. I'm originally from Argentina. I lived in Mexico for 5 years. I came to the US like almost 17 years ago, and I'm an immigrant myself. I have my own firm since 2011. We are 11 people at the office and 3 or 4 virtual assistants in Venezuela working for us. As I said, 80% of my clients are Spanish-speaking people. They're executives, investors, business people from Latin America. That's mostly it. And I help US companies who want to bring people to the US. I have these investors, people with extraordinary ability, athletes, artists, all these kind of people. So that's what we do. I have 2 kids, 7-year-old, 5-year-old. I'm a widower. And life is the best thing. And the only thing, the great challenge for me, is I've been to other groups like this one, and the main challenge for me is accountability and implementing everything. So the ideas are very good, but my issue sometimes is having a way to execute everything. So that's my personal challenge. Okay, that's my website.
Wonderful. So Diego, I want you to switch the what to who from now on, if that's the case. Be cognizant of your strengths and your weaknesses. And from now on, I don't want you to kind of be held back where maybe, I don't have the time to implement. I don't know how to do this. I want your mind to go towards, especially with module 2. Module 2 will be huge for you. Quickly, as soon as you need something done, go on Upwork, hiring for that specific role, and just give them the big picture and let them do it for you. I think you got a great niche, and we got to double down on it, and we got to optimize based on that. So one of the easy wins that I want you to do, again, you shouldn't be doing this. Once you get through module 2, you just, you put up a job post for this. First is to update your website to really, really reflect on the who, which means websites should be in Spanish and address exactly those people, and with the focus on the problems, the specific top problems or things that they need. So that should be very crystal clear. What are the top 3 services you do provide right now, Diego?
Visas for investors. So there's one visa that's called the E2 Investor Visa. So we do a lot of those. Another one is work visa for employees, working visas, employment-based green cards. So those are the 3 top services.
And how would you define your target audience? Immigration lawyer for?
Okay. The target audience specifically are people between 30 and 50, usually business people, professionals, entrepreneurs, usually middle class or upper middle class.
What's your top 3 benefits of getting these?
The first benefit is coming to the US to live here. For them, it's an amazing opportunity to have more financial stability, to be able to improve on their professions and their careers. So it's personal life, financial life, and professional life. Those are the 3 areas that they usually improve whenever they come to the US. Many clients in Latin America, with all the government and all the changes that are in political scenarios there, so it's not very stable. So this is a very stable place for them to go.
This is your headline. This is exactly what you do. This is your benefit. Need your steps. Steps is, and I'll read it for you. Book a brief discovery call. Find out what you qualify for. Number 2. By the way, this is applicable for everybody. I'm not just doing this for Diego. We prepare all your documents for you and make sure you qualify. Number 3 is the end. Secure your visa. Okay.
Perfect.
Social proof. This is review galore. As many reviews as possible, including video reviews, pictures of your happy clients, your Google reviews, screenshots of emails from happy clients, more reviews, more reviews. The more reviews, the better, and more reviews. Then call to action. Okay, free. Call to action. Call to action. Call to action. Call to action. Headline is who you are, who you help, and what they're gonna get out of it. The benefits. Very clear upfront. Subheadline here is usually like a benefit-driven, like what they get out of it, which is essentially this: the benefits. You're gonna take a couple of these words, and you can repeat words. By the way, it's totally okay to repeat words. To say, secure financial freedom so you can work freely and start your professional career. That might be a good one to put right here as a subheadline. Then right below that, a clear call to action. It's basically your button. In a bright green color. The color of the buttons really matter. It's gonna be something. Usually, it's gonna be something bright. The top colors are red, yellow, orange, or green. Those are like the ones that do the best. And you want to make sure that color, either two rules. One is that color shouldn't exist anywhere else on the page so that it stands out. And two, ideally, if you can make it associated with what's the ultimate goal that they're going to get. Well, this is freedom. This is also money. There's like a lot of money stuff in here. So this one would be a good one for to do, green. Makes sense. For personal injury, it would be kind of like orange and red because there's urgency to it. Anything in finance is usually money related. It's going to be green. So just have that in mind. And then pretty much you're going to say right here, we help Spanish professionals who are looking to move to the US with the following. Very clear. You say exactly what you do. And these could have, descriptions here, short description, I would say. It's basically what you have here. That's your headline. And then you have the description right below it. So you have a short description here. Description here. You have a top 3 benefits. It's very crystal clear. Be like images right above it or something, and then button all throughout the page. Not only do you have it up front, you want to have that above the fold. It's called above the fold. As soon as the page loads, you want to tell people clearly exactly what they should do. For example, right here, very clear. Not for the rest of the page. It's like very obvious what they should do. Oh. And if not, it's just in case I forgot. There's also a lagging clinger. It just tells them continuously to do that. Put that all around. Steps, you want to show what the step is before people take action. They want to see what's coming. And you want to make it like easy steps. 3 easy steps. Make it a thing. All you have to do is book a call. We'll prepare all the thing for you, and the end result. You'll live it's like a time machine. What the time machine is going to be in the next 6 months once they get it. And then call to action. Okay, button. And then social proof, as you saw, as many as possible. You're going to have some video reviews here. You're going to hear, and then also you can, potentially put your social proof, mix it in here as well, like put it in the middle of the page, not just at the end of the page. But the idea is as many reviews as possible. Don't be stingy with your reviews. I know you did a good job with this. This is 3. Show me like 12, and then show me some pictures, show me some videos, show me some screenshots of your emails. People from the best way to do this is Diego and everybody else, create a folder on your computer, call it proof. And from now on, be on the lookout for any screenshots. If somebody says anything nice to you, take a screenshot of it, just drop it off into the proof folder. Just compile it for like a couple of months. You're just going to be, gathering it. And then in one shot, you're going to give it to a BA or somebody. Hey, take all these proofs and put it onto my website. And then clear call to action with, I would say the only thing is, I would call this urgency section. Okay, why should they act now? Okay, it doesn't matter how good this is. You don't give urgency, people don't take action. So something is running out. They have a statute of limitations. Every day you wait is at the end of the day that you're stuck in this annoying country. Kind of urgency. And then just a clear call to action, which we did just like that. Which for you, it's going to go directly to a Calendly booking, basically. To go book a call. Perfect. Let me put this into Google Docs. You take this, you create your own version, clean it up, and then just give this to a developer. Create this for me with these images. You don't want to sit there and make this. What should we call this? Ideal law firm homepage. There you go. All you have to do when you get this link, go on file, make a copy. When you have your own version, just take this template, just change it to your own. And then the other thing I would do is create a folder of pictures for these. All you do is just create the content and the pictures, and you just give it to the developer. Go update my website to this. And these CTA buttons, these buttons should be a Calendly for you. Or if you are like personal injury or something where people need to urgent thing and to book instead of booking a call, just give me a call. Then the button will be call the number. If you have an urgent practice type, such as personal injury, employment law, workers' comp, etc., then your button should say call, and then the link is whenever you have a button that has a phone number, then the link is TL:310, whatever the phone number is. That way it makes it clickable to actually when you click on the button, that's what the URL will be. I guess a couple of us have good update our websites. Easy win. Everybody just assume that everybody who signs up with you for your law firm Googles you and looks up at your website and looks at your reviews. Just assume 100%, like 100% of people do that. And yeah, there's a lot for marketing. You don't have to worry about marketing. I have so many things, sources. You know, we'll every couple of weeks we'll try to focus on client generation for everybody. Make sure everybody has enough clients. For you, that won't be an issue at all.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.